Yo, what is going on, people? Welcome back to a video here on the channel. For today's video, we are back with another Stock Talk video. For today's Stock Talk, we are going to be talking about the top penny stocks for August, okay? All these stocks I'm going to be mentioning are going to be having an FDA approval sometime in the month of August, and it is a perfect opportunity right now to get it before they start getting the hype, okay? The hype is what we're going to be playing off of, and we want to catch it before other people do, okay? So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe for more content, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so for our first stock on the list, we have TCDA. Now, TCDA is a beautiful setup, in my opinion, because of the fact that this huge overreaction play to the downside that we have. And now we are starting to slowly find a bottom. Have we found a bottom yet? We don't know. But that's why we're going to wait and play until we find the bottom, okay? We're going to watch this thing like a hawk, and when we find the bottom and we start to see recovery, that is when we're going to jump in, okay? This stock is going to be having an FDA approval on August 22nd, okay? And up until that point, which is still a few weeks away, we're going to be playing off of that. Now, let's just look and see why this dropped 41%, okay? We are looking at this stock, and it's U.S. Food and Drug Administration earlier that week identified by the FDA, identified its deficiencies in its new drug, okay? And because of that, it's just been tanking ever since and is non-stop going down, okay? So this is a beautiful stock to not only play off because of this overreaction by the FDA, but to play the hype in the future of the FDA, okay? The FDA caused it to go down, and the FDA is now going to cause it to go back up. It's a beautiful setup, okay? Please, please, please go at your own risk with this stock, but I highly recommend watching this and keeping this on your watch list, okay? When you start to see recovery points, when you start to see your alerts being hit, add some shares and play off of the hype, okay? This is a beautiful setup, and I highly recommend checking this one out. Okay, so for our next stock on the list, we are looking at LPCN. LPCN is definitely a cheaper stock on the list here, but is a good play to catch onto, okay? With cheaper stocks, you can buy more shares, but with a cheaper stock like this, you have to be careful of huge jumps, okay? This has a tendency to play off of overreactions, okay? With this stock, we hit lows of 30 cents in March. Now, let's jump back here to the 180-day chart, and as you can see, it's been running up since March. The only reason that I'm kind of skeptical of this stock, not saying that it doesn't have more upward potential, because as you can see from the 3-year chart, it had higher highs of $3, of $4, so we have the hype. We're starting to see the same formation that previous times had, but I'm just skeptical in how much we've already grown, okay? Yes, if we caught it back in March, I mean, obviously it'd be beautiful. We caught it at 30, 40 cents. We're up to $1.70 now. That's a huge gain, okay? But we are waiting for this approval, and that's what we're going to be playing this off of, okay? Not that this isn't a bad stock now. I think we're still getting at a pretty good price. It does have more upward potential, but we just have to see how much more upward it goes, okay? Obviously, the stock is not going to move too much too quickly at this moment in time, so you do have time to get in if you would like to do that. LPCN is having its FDA approval on August 28th, but like I said before, it's your own choice whether to get into this stock or not, okay? It's already run up from 30 cents to $1.70. Yes, from previous years, you can see that it's already ran up even more to $3 to $4, so you have that upward potential. But like I said, with a stock like this, it can get very risky. Would I hold it through earnings? Oh, God, no. I would not hold this through earnings, but that's just my personal opinion. I don't know enough about this stock to see it making its FDA approval being approved, okay? But this is just another beautiful stock that's already pretty cheap and that has a lot of upward potential for you guys to check out. Okay, so that kind of concludes the end of this video. It was probably short and sweet, but I just want to let you guys know those are my top 3 favorite picks. TCDA is definitely my top one, okay? It's the more expensive side, but it's definitely the best bang for your buck. We're at all-time lows. Look at where we are on the chart. We're starting to see a consolidation point, and we're going to be waiting for the FDA approval towards the end of the month, August 22nd to be exact, and from there, you can play off the hype starting now. So just wait for some recovery, okay? Like we do with all the other stocks, and from there, play off the hype train, okay? We like the hype train, and we like this stock. Well, I like all these stocks, but TCDA is definitely one to be looking for very closely, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, and you like this video, and you want to see more of these videos, leave a like, subscribe for more content, and yeah, that's been it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video.